All right, so we've got a cocoa shell, but now we need a handle so nobody hurts themselves when they're drinking their cocoa. All right, so here's the deal with the handle. If I try to sketch and I try to sketch on the surface, you see how sketch plane won't show up. But if I go down here on the flat edge, it does. So I can sketch on flat places, but I can't sketch on round places, which is a real problem. So in order, going to need to be able to make a sketch to draw my handle. So I need something flat to draw on. So I need a plane. I need a flat plane. And it turns out up here, there's a tool, this one right here, called the plane tool. And the plane tool lets me make flat places, like flat planes that I can draw on. So turn on the plane tool, and then it says, well, you want to offset it from somewhere, like what plane? And because there's nothing flat, I need to go back to my original planes. There's the top plane, the front plane. Yes, that front plane is perfect. So if I click on the front plane, one click, and then you'll notice this little plane, this offset plane, like plane one comes up, and I want to kind of just drag that out so that it's just outside of my coffee mug, right? So, or the hot cocoa mug, sorry. So my radius was 5, so this is about 2.5. I get it pretty close. You could pretty square it up. I mean, you want to kind of get it so it's not touching, like really close. Yeah, like that's good. And say okay. All right, so now I've got a plane on the edge. Now I have a flat plane that I can draw on. So if I say sketch, and if I hover over it, see how it turns yellow, I can click on that plane, and now I can draw. Okay, so click on there, and I can hit N, and let's see. Now I can go, if I want to draw coffee, I just get a circle. I can do an ellipse. You could go in here and do an ellipse. You could do any of these shapes. I'm just going to do a circle because it's easy. And here you go. So the dotted line shows me exactly the center point, and I draw the top of my handle. Okay. Now this handle, it's going to be like a rounded shape, so I'm going to revolve it. So I'm also going to draw like a rotation line, like something like that. So generally in the middle, and that's pretty good. Okay, so now I've got my plane, I've got my circle, and I've got a rotation line. Now I just revolve it. So I get the revolve tool, and I do two things: pick a face to revolve and the axis to revolve it around. So here's my face. Then I click on the axis button, and I click on the axis of rotation, and then I say check, and look at that beauty. Oh, what a great handle. Oh no! Oh no, my revolution went all the way around through the mug. Oh, I better fix that. Okay, that's easy now. I can fix that. And this plane, I don't really want this plane, so I can just go over here and turn that off. All right, so now I've got a problem with my revolve one. So I right click on it and I say edit. And then I have to say full. So it went in a full circle. I got to change it and just do it in one direction. And then here I can say how many degrees. Like right now it's going 30 degrees. I could say like 90 degrees. Or I could say 180 degrees. That's looking pretty good. It's saying it doesn't understand it for some reason. I don't understand that. Let's see, it doesn't understand that. Yeah. Symmetric? No. Two directions. Why doesn't it give me that? Oh man, I have to make it new. Yeah, I just have to make it new. Sorry, that's all I had to do. Oh, see, sometimes even when you're good at this, you still don't know how to do it. So I had to make it new. I had to make it a new part, so it's a handle, and then I go like that, and there you go. Now it's ready to go. I've got a handle, and I've got part one. I can color it, go in here and add some appearance. I can make it, a nice blue, and I can make this handle red, and go edit the appearance. So that's cool. So I've got two different parts, and there we go. Pretty snazzy, nifty, difty. Yeah, that's how you add a handle. Cool.